The new ECHO X Series multi-tool. Compatible with 7 professional attachments. The best power-to-weight ratio in its class. ECHO X Series DPAS-2600. The ECHO lithium-ion battery generates greater power for heavy-duty performance. The lightest weight in its class and the longest runtime. 7 professional attachments help you get your job done. The control panel enables easy motor speed control and mode changing for optimal and comfortable operation. Newly designed shield for clearer view of cutting head during operation. Quick change coupler makes attachment transition quick and easy. Perfectly balanced. Optimal weight distribution along the axis line of the drive shaft. Ultimate versatility from professional grade attachments. Superior performance, increased productivity. Best-in-class battery multi-tool for the professional. ECHO X Series DPAS-2600.